All right, gang, picked these up recently. If you've got a violinist in your life, you know that as they learn, as they grow, as they play, they need to replace the strings on their violin as they begin to get worn out, stretched out, to keep them in tip-top sound and tuning. And so these are made by Stravilio, and this is a full set of violin strings, plus it comes with an extra E string. So you know the E string is one of the most delicate ones, so just in case they send you an extra E string. These are designed to be used with both 3/4 and full-size violins, and so if you have a smaller violin for a smaller framed person, these will work for you as well. They are clearly labeled A, D, G, and E, so it makes it really easy for you to know which string you are replacing. These violin strings are silver wound, steel strings here to produce a nice warm sound. And on top of them being labeled in the package, as you know, they are also color-coded so that you know that this red one is the E string. It says you are, maybe if you have these lying around and a sticker fell off or something, you'd be able to quickly and easily identify these. So look, if you have a violinist in your life, or you are a violinist and you are looking for some replacement strings, man, I think you should give these a try. I think you're going to love them.